With HPC system B1, you repair apart from vinyl or plastic components, also leather upholstery, scratches, tears, and also holes. Together with the system B3, you can reproduce any color surface. From this, take vinyl prep and clean the area to be repaired. First, with the molding compound mold maker, make a negative mold of the surface structure. To do this, apply mold maker to an intact place on the surface to be repaired. Spread evenly with the palette knife and allow to dry for a few minutes. In the meantime, fill the hole if necessary with a piece of cloth. The mold maker mold has now hardened. Carefully remove and lay to the side. A tip: keep the mold to be used again. With B compound, completely fill the damaged location. Lay the mold on it and protect the mold with Teflon foil. Now warm both with the iron. Then, press with the cooling cushion and fix it in place. After hardening, the repair compound has the texture of the leather surface. Clean again with vinyl prep. With the color selector from the B3 system, now select the right color shade. You will find this in the system box. If necessary, follow the instructions in the color code mixing book. Also in the box, the practical mini spray gun. Test the color with this on hidden areas, then paint. You should pre-treat and prime leather with surface extrusions with B3 leather prep. You can achieve better adhesion of vinyl colors with leather flex. Finally, with the B3 gloss adjuster additives, you can find the applicable gloss.